Hello, I'm Dr. Kanika Bhardwaj and I'm a cataract and refractive surgeon at Center for Sight, New Delhi. So today we will be talking about PRK. So PRK stands for photorefractive keratectomy, which means that with the help of a laser energy, we shape the cornea in such a way that the refractive power or the spectacle power is independently removed from the eyes. Now, this involves creating a surface which is more flat as compared to the normal surface, and also the removal of the topmost protective layer of the eye. At the end of the procedure, a contact lens is placed, and when 3 days later, when the new surface layer forms, the contact lens is removed. Now, the most important question here is that why do most people appearing for various exams prefer this? Firstly, because it is a surface ablation, the amount of corneal tissue that is utilized is very less. Therefore, it makes it more safer and more closer to the natural cornea. Secondly, because the new layer that forms is entirely during the healing process, it does not have any kind of cuts or scars that remain generally seen in LASIK or the silk procedures. Therefore, appearance-wise also, it is more closer to the naturally appearing cornea. Most people have the concern of not landing up with complications that can occur with flaps, and therefore, this is also one of the reasons why surface ablations are preferred in areas where there is a lot of propensity to get attacked on the face or during any kind of adventurous activity where there is a risk of more trauma to the eyes. Since the surface ablation doesn't have any pockets or any interfaces, therefore, even after trauma, the risk of the cornea degrading or turning to an ectatic cornea are less. Hence, most people appearing for the defense services or pilot exams or various other activities which require a lot of physical strain and exercise, they prefer surface ablation to keep their corneas more closer to the natural appearance and shape.
Follow Planet LASIK and post your queries to get answers from the experts.